channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I filmed a Shay Mitchell inspired makeup look. Her makeup artist Ariel did this beautiful bronze makeup look, and then he added like a nice neon yellow in the corner. So I used the Juvia's Place palette. I'll just show you what it looks like. And I use this one up here. It's like a goldy neon-y green colour. It's absolutely beautiful. So if you'd like to see how I did this entire look, then please keep on watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. So my face might look a little bit red. I've just done a chemical peel. On it. So yeah, the makeup look is from Makeup by Ariel on Instagram, and it's on Shay Mitchell. So she was in Pretty Little Liars, and I love her. I think she's beautiful. Obviously I look nothing like her whatsoever, but I love the makeup look. So it's quite an easy eye, dramatic wing, and then it's got this nice like gold in the corner. So I'm going to use, it's like a neon-y colour, so I'm going to use this colour here from the Juvia's Place palette. It's called Nubia. Let me just turn that off. So yeah, I'm going to use that colour. I think it's amazing. And then she's just got flawless skin, nice and bronzed, and also she's got like a nudie lip. So that's what I'm going to do today. And so I've just kind of zoomed you in a little bit. So I've already done my eyebrows, and now I'm just going to carve out I should have got the stuff out already. I want to start doing more. I want to start doing more celebrity style looks. So obviously just leave in the comments who you want to see next. I was kind of looking through like Kylie Jenner. I really liked her birthday makeup, and she had this pink makeup on from her new palette, so I might try that one. But yeah, let me know what you want to see and who your favourite celebrity, what celebrities have your favourite makeup and stuff. I'd love to know. Okay, so I'm just going to set that into place. I'm just going to take my translucent powder. This is just the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is just on a Morphe M208. It's just a little dense brush, and I'm going to pack that on. So I am going to take, for the crease colours, the Morphe 350 palette, and I'm just going to take like some of these colours here. Just kind of looks like she's got warm browns, like nice warm browns in the crease. It's nothing too difficult. So that's where we're going to start. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. This is the M200, so it's just a nice little fluffy brush. I'm just going to dip into one of the lighter shades and take this in the crease. Now she's got it quite high up, so I'm going to take obviously mine quite high up. She's got the thing that we do have in common is that we both have big eyelid spaces. That's the only thing that we have in common. She's so beautiful. So I'm just taking it up quite high. And thank you so much to everyone who watched my last video with one of my best friends, Terrell. I feel like it gives you a chance to kind of see what, like to see my personality, because I'm quite crazy. After my boyfriend or my fiance watched that video, he said that I was really weird. But I am weird, like he should already know that. But it's like when you're with your friends especially, you just, yeah, it was so fun. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a darker colour. I'm going to take my MAC 221 brush. Sorry, the colours basically come off. Just with a slightly darker shade. And I'm just going to take it right in the crease and just start to deepen it. Okay, and then I'm just going to take one darker, and I think that's basically all I'm going to do with the crease colours, because it really doesn't look like she's got a lot on. So just directly in the crease, I'm going to take that darkest shade. Now on the lid, just looks like she's got like a nice like goldy bronzy colour. So I'm going to take Birthday Girl from Colourpop. Now mine has I love these so much, but when you're a makeup artist, these do not travel well. I seem to use them a little bit and then they smash. I just think it's when I'm in like when I'm in transport, like carrying my kit and stuff. They just break easy, but it doesn't matter. You can still use them, it's fine. So I'm just going to wet my brush a little bit and then dip it in. Now this has some nice like glitter shimmer to it, which definitely she has in the photo. You know what, I'm going to lay down a base first. I'm just going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Marie Antoinette Eyes to Mesmerise. I feel like this on its own, the Colourpop on its own, is not intense enough. That's so much better. And then I'm just going to lay it over the top. I feel like it needs something sticky to adhere to, and then it's like the Fix Plus was just not enough. Oh, that's better, much better. I feel like makeup is just a trial and error. You go for it. You can layer products and mix different things together to make what you want. I'm gonna take the Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner 24 Hour from Maybelline. These are my favourites. And I'm just going to take the MAC, I don't know what this brush is, 209. And she's got a fierce wing. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so wings are done. I am going to finish off the face. I'm just mixing a little bit of Too Faced Born This Way and the Fenty Beauty foundation. One's a little bit darker, so I'm just kind of mixing the two together just to get my perfect match. And I really love them both together. I'm just going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is probably my all-time favourite concealer. It just isn't too heavy. Isn't too heavy and doesn't go really dry, like dry to my skin. I have got the Too Faced one, but it's slightly too light for me. And also it is really, really full coverage. Just be super careful under the... It doesn't look like she's very like too highlighted. Let me just check. She's quite highlighted under there, but not too much. Okay, we definitely need to bronze up, because she is a bronzed goddess. So I'm gonna take the Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze, and we are going to really bronze up this skin. Now I just do one cheek at a time. This stuff dries super fast. I feel like I haven't done like a proper sit down makeup tutorial in such a long time. I've been really enjoying obviously doing some hauls and some like videos with Darcy. But these are the kind of things that I watch on YouTube I probably watch makeup tutorials more than anything. So I need to get kind of back into them. I've just been loving all the stuff that I've been filming. It's been so fun, and I have one of my videos with Darcy hit like almost 500 views, and that to me is just like it's just insane. Like 500 people, or almost 500 people, watched a like a Primark haul. Can you just, unbelievable. I can't comprehend. Okay, and then for she doesn't look very highlighted on the side of her cheeks, but I like highlight, so I'm obviously going to do that. So I'm going to set my face first. I'm going to use my where's it gone? I'm going to use my New Skin powder. This stuff is super full coverage, and it's just really kind of makes your skin look airbrushed. So I'm going to use that. Oh, honestly, my table's a mess right now. And I'm just going to give like quite a light dusting. And then I'm going to kind of pack it on under the eyes more. And really set along the line. Because I put concealer under there, I don't want anything to run. This is the Pro Bronze Fusion. I really like this. I just picked this up in TK Maxx, funny enough, and it was like £5 or £6 off full price, so that's amazing. So just starting at the back, I'm going to take a bit around my jawline just to make it look super sharp. She's got a really chiseled face. I'm going to take a bit of the Laguna bronzer. It's just a cooler toned. It's kind of really more for kind of creating that contoured shadow. And I'm just going to go right at the back. The contour right up to meet my transition shades. I'm going to take a little bit of MAC Melba, a little higher up than I would usually do it. But she's got it quite high in her cheeks. I like to do a lot. I like to get any kind of excess powder off my face. Really set the makeup. And I let that kind of dry 3/4 of the way, and then I'm going to put on my highlighter. So for my highlighter, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty in... which one am I going to use? It's Hustler Baby. I'm literally almost out. But I love it. It's so beautiful. I haven't used it for a little while, actually. I've been using the Babe in Paradise by Morphe and the Bretman Rock, which is amazing. I really recommend that you get that. It's got 6 shades. Some of them are obviously a bit dark, but it's so beautiful. So beautiful to contour. It's so beautiful to use as an eyeshadow, like the colours that are too dark for you. I love it. I love it so much. So I'm going to start with under my brow bone first. I forget how pretty this is. And she definitely has some above her brow bone. So that is my base done. I'm just going to run under the eye with, I don't know if she's got anything in the waterline. It doesn't look like she has. So I'm just going to run some nice brown, like dark browns underneath the eye. Just with a really small brush. This is the M326. It's really like tiny on the end, so you can really get like a good close application. Get really close to the lash line. This is really good for clients too. Like, obviously it's the worst bit going under someone's eye, but I feel like these sometimes work better than pencil brushes. Okay, now for lips, I am going to fill them in with Strip Down by MAC. Her lips are definitely overdrawn. Okay, so for lips, I went round with obviously Strip Down, and then I'm taking Myth by MAC. I'm doing more like an ombre lip. Okay, lips done. So now we've just got the exciting part left. I've put in on that beautiful, beautiful gold shade. It's like a greeny, goldy neon. It's so unusual. So I'm just going to dip my brush. Actually, I'm going to use a smaller brush. And just go in on the centre. Now, she's got quite a lot. Let me just get the picture back up. She's got quite a lot. I'm going to spray my brush as well. Just a tiny bit. Oh my god, I love it. These Juvia's Place palettes are so pigmented. They are really good, and this is, I don't know, oh, the Magic by Juvia's palette. So I'll just show you the colours all together, but they are really beautiful. Like, I love these like greeny blues here and these deep matte blues, and they've got some mattes and shimmers together. But yeah, this colour is amazing, and I am so happy with the outcome of this video. I've got a little stuff. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, so I'm basically done. I'm just going to fill in my moulds, and then, yeah, I'll be back with you. So that is the whole look complete. I really like it. I really like it. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like. And subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to see any other celebrity inspired makeup looks, then just put in the comments who you'd like to see. Maybe a Kylie Jenner, Kim Kardashian, maybe Chloe. They're kind of like the top 3 who everybody follow, and they do some incredible looks. So let me know what you'd like to see next, and thank you so much for joining me. I love you all. Bye.